Lesson 1-8 is an introduction to equations. If this is your first time using these videos, please make sure your audio output is up so that you can hear it, and please make sure you're listening to the speaker when he asks for you to pause the video so you can do examples. Let's discuss what an equation is. It's a mathematical sentence that uses an equal sign. Equations can be one of three things. They can be true if the expressions on both sides are the same. They're false if the expressions on both sides are not the same. And they're open if the sentence contains a variable. Here are some examples. Tell whether each sentence is true, false, or open, and explain your answer. You should pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to do the examples. Here are your answers. The first one is false because 1 on the left side is not equal to -2 on the right side. The second one is open because it contains a variable. The third one is true because 23 on the left side is equal to 23 on the right side. Testing values is important when we are looking to find truth. We test values to see if they work in a mathematical sentence because we want to see if the mathematical sentence holds true. The procedure is the same as evaluating algebraic expressions. We'll plug the value in for the variable, followed by simplifying both sides of the sentence to prove its truth value, whether it's true or false. Here's an example. Tell whether the given number is a solution to the mathematical sentence or equation. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance. So when we plug 19 in for t, and then we simplify 19 minus 7, we do get 12. And 12 is equal to 12, so therefore 19 is a solution of that particular equation. We've discussed in the past some key words for the four operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here are some key words for equals when we visit word problems. When we translate sentences into equations, we want to write an equation for each of these following sentences. The sum of 4x and 8 is -4, and the product of 9 and the sum of 6 and x is 1. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try and translate those two sentences. Here are your answers. The sum of 4x and 8 is -4 would be 4x plus 8 equal to -4. Remember that is means equals. The product of 9 and the sum of 6 and x means that we need to put 6 plus x in parentheses. So 9 times the quantity, 6 plus x, is equal to 1. If you had difficulty with this portion of the lesson, please make sure you consult your teacher in class.